what's the argument for customers to choose Cloudflare over an Amazon?
You know, I think Amazon has built an incredible product, but they really haven't innovated for a long time on pricing, and especially around bandwidth pricing. They charge you to take data out of their service, but they don't charge you to put it in. And so it's like the Hotel California of services. And our mission at Cloudflare is to help build a better internet and make sure that no matter what you're doing online, it's fast, reliable, secure, efficient, and private. And I think those are things that everyone needs, even companies like Meta. We stay on top of all of the latest innovations in the crypto space. A huge amount of the crypto universe sits behind Cloudflare. What all of these new things, whether it's the metaverse or cryptocurrencies or Web 3.0, what all of them need is a fast, secure, reliable network. And we've built one of the fastest, most secure, most reliable networks around the world. And I think that's why innovators, regardless of what they're doing, are turning to our platform and to our technology to make sure that they're helping power the future.
Welcome back, everyone, to the Audacious MoneyWitch channel, where we talk about investing and trading and a lot of fun things. Why Cloudflare will be a bigger winner than Palantir. Well, you gotta be flipping my flapjacks. My Cloudflare stock just jumped 24% on earnings beat, as the most innovative Silicon Valley tech company wins larger deals.
We should probably get back down there and check out the competition. I hope this sucks.
Nucleus will provide the most diverse features ever assembled in a cloud-based compression suite. Massive functionality, interconnectivity, and the simplicity one has come to expect from the Hooli family. We're making all your files available for lightning-fast download.
Cloudflare shares rose 24% in extended trading after the cybersecurity and software company issued exceptionally strong results and quarterly guidance that proved more robust than analysts had projected. Earnings per share and revenue with another double beat. Revenue rose about 32%, consistent with growth in the third quarter. Cloudflare's net loss of $27.9 million narrowed from $45.9 million in the year ago. Matthew Prince, Cloudflare's co-founder and CEO, said that Cloudflare signed its largest new customer deal and biggest renewal to date during the quarter.
Now you have this R2, this infrastructure that is powering AI companies. And how does it speak to how important the infrastructure component of all of this is when there is so much demand for cloud computing right now?
Yeah, one of the things that is a real challenge for AI companies, not on the users of the AI, but on the companies that are actually building AI, is that they have to have these large data sets in order to train models. Right now, there's an enormous scarcity in the GPUs that they can use in order to train those models. And so they're always looking for where can they get the lowest cost and the most availability of GPU time across all of the big hyperscale public clouds. The problem is that the hyperscale public clouds actually charge you to take your data out from them. And so you get locked in if you put your data in an AWS or a Google Cloud or a Microsoft Azure. And so what we have done with R2 is make it so that you can, as an AI company, store your data there and then look for wherever there's availability of GPUs across any of the major cloud providers. And that's why we're seeing AI company after AI company, a 270% increase year over year in AI companies signing up for Cloudflare. And if you look at the AI companies, we're the leading technology vendor across all of them. They have in common,
resulting in the highest annual contract value in corporate history. On the call, Prince said Cloudflare is in business with the U.S. Commerce Department.
We see strong adoption from verticals like healthcare with companies like Gilead and LabCorp, the industrial and transportation vertical with companies like United Technologies, Reliance Steel, and Norwegian Air, and among government, education, and nonprofit organizations like the FBI and the U.S. Department of State.
Cloudflare offers an integrated global cloud platform which provides security, performance, and reliability services for everything connected to the internet, replacing and improving the functionality delivered by network hardware boxes. Our core security services help protect customers from large and increasingly sophisticated online cyber attacks. Informed by the millions of properties on our network, our intelligence systems use data on cyber attacks against any one of our customers to better protect every customer. For a long time, the widely held view was that better security meant a sacrifice in performance. At Cloudflare, we've never been willing to make that compromise. We aim to develop products that deliver security while also improving performance. And we've developed technology that intelligently optimizes and routes data around the world, bypassing network congestion.
We are helping build a better internet.
Our business model is aligned with our customers and their customers. We don't sell ads or user data. We strive to be a neutral party, building our technology to work in tandem with anything connected to the internet. And we are incentivized to keep making the internet more secure, faster, and more reliable to the benefit of everyone who uses it. Not just because it's good for our business, but it's also the right thing to do. We are the beneficiaries of broad industry trends that position our global cloud platform to grow in lockstep with the internet itself. We believe there are vast opportunities ahead in helping organizations better secure their networks, improve their performance and reliability, and to empower them with a platform to unlock the next generation of online innovation.
He said the company's business was firing efficiently on all cylinders, with customers still spending despite macroeconomic uncertainties. I like that engine analogy, firing efficiently. I guess that Mr. Prince doesn't drive a Tesla, but this is how a prince says no.
I've not met your expectations for performance. We've decided to part ways with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop you right there.
I won't be able to go into specifics.
Wait, why though? I just started. I've been working extremely hard. It's just very, very shocking. Very, very shocking. I've really given my whole energy and life over the last 4 months to this job. And to be let go for no reason is like a huge slap in the face.
I'm really sorry that you're having this experience and feeling this way.
Cloudflare is working to supply software developers with graphics processing units that they can use for artificial intelligence. Cloudflare had installed GPUs in 120 cities by the end of 2023. Higher than an internal target of 100, Prince said. By the end of 2024, we plan to have inference to GPUs deployed in nearly every city that makes up Cloudflare's global network, and within milliseconds of nearly every device connected to the internet worldwide.
We're significantly past the point of EA, right?
At least that's how we think about it at Cloudflare. Cloudflare is dedicated to making the internet work the way it only used to work for internet giants. Cloudflare is an intelligent network that sits in front of wherever you host. Smart pipes, not dumb pipes, and gives you all the things that you used to need hardware for. Routing, caching, firewall, load balancing, DDoS mitigation, WAN optimization, but as a service, an infinitely scalable, always online, pay for what you need, get set up quickly service. And it delivers this across one of the world's largest, fastest networks that instantly routes around problems, is always up to date with the latest standards and technology, automatically identifies threats, and gets smarter with every request it handles. So, excuse me, what's that sound? It's not an EA. That's the sound of the rest of the internet realizing the future doesn't come in a box. Take 5 minutes, supercharge your internet, sign up for Cloudflare.
The network had a presence in over 310 cities as of December 31st. Cloudflare also wants to grow by selling security services to companies and government agencies.
You know, sometimes the CIA would assist in putting implants in machines. So once inside a target network, we could just watch. Or we could attack. Inside NSA was a strange kind of culture, like 2 parts macho military and 2 parts cyber geek.
Cyber attacks have become more common since Hamas carried out a terrorist attack in Israel in October, Prince said. Cloudflare said Mark Anderson, a board member who was formerly in scaling Palo Alto Networks from pre-IPO to more than $2.5 billion in annual revenue, has joined Cloudflare as president. Prince said he and co-founder and COO Michelle Zatlin wouldn't be going anywhere. With respect to guidance, Cloudflare called for 13 cents in adjusted net earnings per share on $372.5 million in revenue in Q1. For all of 2024, Cloudflare's earnings outlook was higher than consensus. Cloudflare sees 58 cents in adjusted earnings per share and revenue to $1.652 billion. Cloudflare has broken out of a 19-month sideways range. I believe that has been the result of institutional accumulation. The longer the stock goes sideways, the bigger the move it's going to get. I believe net stock is posed to go to the moon. All-time highs are not out of the question within, say, 2 years.
Grand Theft Auto 6 next year, and you're getting a chance to get in before the biggest show in gaming drops on streaming. Next, I am tempted. I got to tell you, you probably don't follow this as closely as I do, but Cloudflare. Take a look at this one. CEO Matthew Prince does a fantastic job running this content delivery network / cybersecurity company. I think its stock will punch through to new highs.
I started my buys around $40 range in 2022, sold it a couple of times at $70, and my latest buy was last year at $45. Now that stock is already doubled. I plan to hold it for the long term. Palantir is actually partnered up with Cloudflare. The partnership will enable them to quickly generate meaningful cost savings from their existing cloud bills and transition to a more cost-efficient cloud infrastructure for the long term. Palantir Foundry's pre-built infrastructure will provide information about companies' current cloud costs, while Cloudflare's Workers platform and R2 storage solution will help companies better manage their workloads. The reason why I believe Cloudflare will grow bigger is the TAM. Since Palantir only works with the West, their client base will be limited. Growth will not be as big as Cloudflare, in my humble opinion.
We're Cloudflare. We're helping build a better internet.
And we're just getting started.